Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about aliases in Bash. We will see how to create them, how to remove them, and also how to make them permanently for all sessions. Also, I want to remind you, if you find these videos helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get notifications when we upload new ones. Okay, let's start with the session today. What's an alias? An alias is a command in Bash that allow the user to create their own custom commands on a very easy way. I will say that those aliases are like labels. Let me create a very basic example. I'm going to use the alias command. I'm going to set my command equals to any command that I want to invoke. When I type my command, it will be the new command. Okay, I'm going to set pwd to print my working directory this way. So if I type my command, it will perform this action. This is the usage for the alias, but you can create more complex commands to have one single command to perform several actions. Let's say that you want to create a report to display network details from the messages file. Then I'm going to create this one. I'm going to grep network manager from var log messages. This is a more complex command, and I'm going to type just like this. Even I can make it shorter. Let's say this one, like report network. Okay, so instead of typing the entire command every time that I need this data, I'm going to use this one. And it will display the entire information that I'm looking for with the grep command. So this is very useful to make your own commands very customizable. And let's see how can we remove them. It's with a command un alias. I'm going to remove my well, at this moment my command still exists. As you can see, it's working, so I'm going to remove it on alias, my command, and now I'm going to type it again. It doesn't find that command because it doesn't exist anymore in my system. Okay, finally, if you want your very specific command, as we did in the grep, if you want this command to persist among all your sessions, because if I open a new session at this moment and I type rnet, it will not exist because it only exists in this session. For doing that, we need to modify the bash rc file. I'm going to copy this one. Okay, here as you can see, it specifies a section for aliases and functions. So I'm going to paste here. I'm going to save it. And if I open a new terminal, I'm going to type the command again, rnet, and it will display what I'm looking for because the command or the alias exists among all the sessions. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and Let me know your comments in there. Stay tuned. Thanks.